Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a very easy turban style hat. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to Hectanuka 1, coming to you from Nova Scotia in Canada. Today we're having a snowstorm, and that's the beauty of our climate. This is the view from my front door, and we're expecting up to 15 inches of snow. And we have a very diverse climate. We have nice warm summers and snow-filled winters. And here's a view from my back window. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy crossed headband. And I put a link at the end of this video and below the video for my playlist for all my hat videos. You can work with either one strand of chunky yarn or 2 strands of worsted weight. I'm going to work with a chunky yarn, Caron Tea Cakes, and a 9mm crochet hook. I'm going to make adult size, so I'm going to start with chain 20. So chain 20. Okay, I have my chain 20. And now I'm going to work extended double crochet stitches. So I'm going to work into the 3rd stitch from the hook to make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook through the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Now to make an extended double crochet, you pick up the yarn and simply pull it through that very first loop. And now I can pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And that's your first extended double crochet. If you're a beginner, mark that stitch of the turning chain, because that is the stitch you will work your last stitch in. So again, yarn around the hook, insert, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through the first stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And I'm going to continue all the way across the row. Okay, so work all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Now I'm only going to work into the back side of the stitch, and this is going to take the place of the first extended double crochet. So yarn around the hook, insert into the back loop, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pull through 1 loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. And I'm going to continue that across the row. Okay, so work all the way across the row and work your last stitch in that loop. And working into that last loop will keep your edges nice and straight. So you're going to continue to repeat that row until the work measures approximately 22 to 23 inches long. And I have one here that's finished. Okay, to turn this into a hat, bring both ends together like that. And you're going to sew a seam all the way up here. Like that. I've got the seam sewn up. So now you're just going to pull on that seam to gather it up like that. And then just take a couple of stitches here to secure it. And now I'm going to weave my needle all the way around to close up the top of the hat. Like that. Now I'm going to pull that, and close up the top of the hat, take a couple of stitches here to secure it, turn it right side out, and there you have your turban hat. I put a link below on how to make these rosettes with t-shirt knit, and so you can place that on your hat. So you can either sew it on, or you can sew one of these types of barrettes on the back, and then you'll have a removable rosette that you can place on any knitted garment. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make this turban style hat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.